Welcome to Trending Places. Today we will showcase you about the top 10 waterfalls in the world. Number 10. Whangarei Falls, New Zealand. The Whangarei Scenic Reserve includes Whangarei Falls, one of the most famous swimming spots in the area is the Hatea River's traditional curtain waterfall. This waterfall is one of New Zealand's must-see waterfalls due to its easy accessibility and well-maintained scenic reserve. Whangarei Falls is around a 10-minute drive from the city centre of Whangarei, or 2.5 hours from Auckland. The road is always kept in good condition. Make your own way to Whangarei, then follow the signs to the Whangarei Falls Parking Park on Boundary Yard. A local council maintains the space, which includes restrooms and a lovely picnic area with a few tables. Number 9. Plitvice Waterfalls, Croatia. Plitvie Lakes National Park, in central Croatia, is a 295 square kilometer forest reserve. It's noted for a network of 16 tiered lakes that extend into a limestone canyon and are connected by waterfalls. An electric boat connects the 12 upper and 4 lower lakes, with walkways and hiking trails winding around and across the water. Veliki Slap, a 78-meter-high waterfall, is located in the latter. Plitvie Lakes has been a popular tourist destination since the late 1800s, and it was officially formed in 1949. It is Croatia's oldest national park and only UNESCO World Heritage Site. Several spaghetti westerns were filmed here in the 1960s, including the very badly overdubbed The Treasure in Silver Lake. Number 8. Dettifoss, Iceland. Dettifoss is a waterfall in northeast Iceland's Vatnajökull National Park that is said to be Europe's second most powerful waterfall after the Rhine Falls. The Jökulsá Fjöllum River, which flows from the Vatnajökull glacier and collects water from a broad area in northeast Iceland, is home to Dettifoss. The powerful glacial river Jökulsá Fjöllum, which flows from Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier, feeds Dettifoss. The average water flow of the thunderous fall is 193 meters cubed. It stretches for 100 meters and drops 45 meters into Jökulsá Canyon. Because Dettifoss is located in the northern half of the larger Vatnajökull National Park, Iceland's largest national park, it is well protected. Number 7. Gullfoss, Iceland. Gullfoss, Iceland is home to some of the country's most famous waterfalls, and it's easy to see why. If you get the opportunity to see the waterfall, you should do so. It is gorgeous, unusual, and at a great position. Gullfoss adds something unique to the table that sets it apart from the competition. Gullfoss Golden Falls is a famous and well-known waterfall in Iceland, located in the Hatea River Canyon in southwest Iceland. Gullfoss Waterfall is about 2 hours from Iceland's capital for those who rent a car or take a Golden Circle tour. Number 6. Yosemite Falls, California. Yosemite Falls is Yosemite National Park's highest waterfall, falling 2,425 feet from the summit of the higher fall to the bottom of the lower fall. It is a prominent attraction in the park, especially in late spring when the water flow is at its highest. It is located in the Sierra Nevada of California. The Yosemite Falls Trail is open all year, weather conditions change by season. This trip is particularly beautiful in the spring, when the waterfall is at its most spectacular, and you may even get soaked from the waterfall's spray during a stretch of the hike. Yosemite is known around the world for its waterfalls and rainbows that can emerge within them. However, few people are aware of the park's lunar rainbows, often known as moonbows. If the sky is bright and the moon is full in the spring and early summer, the mist from a waterfall can emit enough light to create a rainbow. It's sheer enchantment. Number 5. Hatea Falls, Guyana. For some people, the word of the Hatea National Park conjures up memories of the majestic fall, stunning panoramas, unique environment, mystique, and legend. For some, the complete glory of Hatea Falls in Guyana's Pacaraima Highlands is all there is to see. It is the most popular tourist destination in the country. By volume of water flowing over it, Hatea Falls is the world's greatest single-drop waterfall. It is situated on the Hatea River in the Hatea National Park, in a stretch of the Amazon rainforest that is part of Guyana's Patero-Siparuni area. With an average flow rate of 23,400 cubic feet, Hatea is one of the world's most powerful waterfalls. Number 4. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls is a Venezuelan waterfall. With a height of 979 meters and a drop of 807 meters. It is the world's tallest unbroken waterfall. In the Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Bolívar State's Gran Sabana region, the waterfall cascades over the brink of the Ollantaytambo mountain. After a US aviator became the first person to fly over the falls in the mid-20th century, the falls were given the moniker Angel Falls. The falls are a tributary of the Carav River, which is part of the Orinoco River system in Venezuela. Angel Falls, one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders, is a truly unique sight. Number 3. Niagara Falls, Canada, USA. Niagara Falls is a series of 3 waterfalls located at the southern end of the Niagara Gorge, crossing the border between the Canadian province of Ontario and the US state of New York. The American Falls, on the American side of the border, and the Canadian or Horseshoe Falls, on the Canadian side, are 2 waterfalls on the Niagara River, which defines the border between New York and Ontario, Canada. Niagara Falls, Ontario, is a Canadian city located near the world-famous Niagara Falls waterfalls, and is connected to the United States by the Rainbow Bridge. Its location on the western bank of the Niagara River provides a view of the Horseshoe Falls, the most expansive section of the Cascades. Elevators lead tourists behind the falls to a lower, wetter viewpoint. A promenade runs alongside the 520-foot-high Skylon Tower, which has an observation deck. Number 2. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. The magnificent Victoria Falls, which span over 1.7 kilometers and are split between Zimbabwe and Zambia, can be seen from both sides of the Zambezi River and has 2 entrance gates. Victoria Falls is a hamlet in western Zimbabwe that serves as a gateway to the same-named enormous waterfall. The Zambezi River flows through a series of gorges after plunging over a cliff and into the boiling pot. The Devil's Pool, a natural infinity pool, is perched on the cliff's edge. The Victoria Falls Bridge, built in 1905, spans the river. White rhinos and elephants can be found in the neighboring Zambezi National Park. The Mosi Oyatunia Victoria Falls is the world's largest sheet of flowing water, and it's famous for its unique geological and geomorphological features, as well as active land formation processes and the spray, mist, and rainbows that the falls produce. Number 1. Iguazu Falls, Argentina. Iguazu Falls, also known as Iguicu Falls, are a series of waterfalls on the Iguazu River that run through Argentina's province of Misiones and Brazil's state of Paraná. They form the world's largest waterfall system when combined. The falls separate the upper and lower Iguazu rivers. There are over 275 cascades in total. These individual falls have the world's biggest combined flow of any waterfall. It is significantly taller and twice as wide than Niagara Falls. During the rainy season, 450,000 cubic feet of water can cascade over the falls. The Iguazu River rises near Curitiba's downtown area. The river flows through Brazil for the majority of its length, although the majority of the falls are on the Argentine side. The Iguazu River defines the border between Argentina and Brazil below its confluence with the San Antonio River. Hope you like the video. We have more than 150 videos on trending places. Do like and subscribe. Keep watching.